Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we want to use electrolysis to separate a solution of copper 2 sulfate. Check this out. All you need for this reaction is a device for electrolysis, a beaker of water, some copper sulfate, and a spoon to mix it. Okay, once your solution of copper 2 sulfate is ready, you're ready to turn on your electricity and check out your anode and your cathode. Remember, the cathode is the negative side and the anode is the positive side, and you should see some bubbles coming up. The bubbles is pure oxygen, and that's on the side where the anode is. That's the positive side. Now the negative should be separating the copper from the solution. That's the cathode that gets the copper. So we're just gonna let that sit for a minute and check it after a few minutes. So what's really happening in this experiment as you run electricity through a solution of copper 2 sulfate? Remember, the anode side is the positive side. That's where you're going to see bubbles of pure oxygen, and that's the oxidation side because it's giving up electrons. And then over here, the negative side is the cathode. That's the side that gets the copper. That's reduction because it's gaining electrons to become copper. Let's check our solution again. Okay, now we're ready to check our solution. Let's see if the negative cathode has some copper that's separated from the solution. Oh, yeah, look at that dark copper on the cathode. And the other side was giving up oxygen. You can definitely see the side that had copper that's separated from the solution. Isn't that amazing? Electrolysis of copper sulfate in RamZland.